Update from the Benelli last week. Not completed it all yet, but we managed to get it to a point where we can turn on the key and get everything working again. Broken wires there. Fitted a good waterproof connector, should last a while. There you go. These things are debatable, but in terms of waterproofing, and the owner of this bike does like to ride it a bit rough, so these ones are a bit better, easy to replace if they do ever go wrong. Ignition switches all cleaned up. Dielectric grease to protect them future. All of these will be eventually removed, cleaned up. But at the beginning it had no start, it didn't start at all, but now turn the key. John, could you just press the brake light for us? We have lights, everything's active. Indicators, brake lights, it's all live. Customer says there was none of this before, so we're getting somewhere. It didn't turn over before, but now if you hear, it's actually turned over, so we're getting ignition. Not all of it's reconnected, so it won't fire up. I'm seeing a fuel tank. We've also added a side stand kill switch deletion, because the ones on these Chinese bikes are a bit dodgy. And he'll never have to worry about that again. Move that piece out. Because when they go wrong, it stops your bike completely, and you never know why. It's been fixed. Be back round again soon, just got to plug it all in, make sure it's working, then recover his insulation. It'll be another bike back on the road alive again. When it's all complete, we'll provide one last update. But yeah, A&B bikes out.